Bula! Hey everybody, Baron and Bren Bruno. Professionals FIJI Real Estate, the #1 real estate agency in Fiji. And we have a great rental property for you in Denarau. So Denarau Island is very close to the international airport. And we are in the Links Precinct, and it's called the Links Precinct because just on the other side of us is the golf course. So the Denarau Golf and Racket Club, very exclusive. You're definitely going to want to join that when you're here. And make sure you get to the Heineken House. Fun place to grab some drinks and eats, and of course do a lot of socializing after a round of golf or a match of tennis. So I'm going to turn this around and show you what we have for you today. Here we go. So here's the exterior. This is brand new construction. It's not even completed yet, but the builder and owner wanted us to get this out to the market and find him a really great tenant or tenants. So this side of the building is actually a 2-bedroom unit, and on this side is a 3-bedroom. So the good thing about this is there's flexibility. So if you only need half of the rental, the 2-bedroom or the 3-bedroom, we can rent those separately. Or if you have a big family, we can rent this all as one, and especially if you're also coming in for a business and you want some employees to share residence together with families. So this could be a good opportunity to do that. And you can see nice tiled throughout, just really super clean. Air cons, of course, in every room, and they have the mirrored wardrobes, and you can see they have the slider going into the bathroom. There is the double sinks, shower enclosure with that rain shower up top, fully tiled, so really, really nice. This is that second bathroom with the double sinks, and you can see the shower enclosure and the toilet stall. And then you have access to that covered car park here, as well as the front door here. And you have a little sitting area, veranda there, which is really nice. And your brand new washing and drying machines, look at that. Great upper cabinets and double utility sink, always really, really sought after for any home in any country, right? Great little wood feature there on the ceiling, along with that canister. That's a canister air conditioner that really blows just great cold air here. So if you don't want those island breezes, you can cool things down. Nice granite island there with all brand new Whirlpool appliances. And then of course, big gas burner stovetop here, and I like the way that it's really wide. Some of these get really tight, and I know my wife's a great cook. Someday I'll get in there and figure things out myself. And you see the double sink as well right there, and then of course the microwave. And we're gonna walk back, and you're gonna see the pools haven't even been filled yet, so they're still finishing things up. You got the work crew here as well, but they've allowed us to come in early and let you guys have the first peek. So if you're looking at this video, you're probably one of the first people to have a look at these. And as you can see, there are 2 swimming pools. So what we have is that dividing wall here. So 3-bedroom on this side, 2-bedroom over here. And let's go and take a look at the 3-bedroom here. So again, these can be rented separately or together. Nice built-ins. Look at that, even the uppers. You don't see that too much. Nice shower enclosure. Here's this great room, very similar to the other side, with the access to the outside, and then that car park there. There's the island canister air conditioner, all the brand new modern Whirlpool appliances. Whirlpool, a great international brand. You can see the air con, these shutters for privacy with the mirrored sliders and the built-ins, with the remote control for the air conditioner. Another one of the bathrooms. And again, these are never lived in, ready to go. And if you're interested in renting a property here on Denarau Island or here anywhere in Fiji, go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051, and we can let you know what we have available, when things are coming available, and basically something that will suit your needs. So if you need something furnished or unfurnished, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, etc. So here we go with the last ensuite bathroom, and you can see they're still working. Bula! So he's cleaning stuff up here, so thank you. So these guys have been cool enough to let me come in while they're still getting things finalized. And then you have these nice gates. So if you have kids, this is another something special. Not a lot of homes in Denarau have these safety gates on them. So if you are coming to Fiji or here in Fiji currently and are looking to relocate into Denarau, this is really great from a safety standpoint too. But you can see really nice tile work. And you have, again, the big pool here for the 3-bedroom and then the separate 2-bedroom pool there as well. And they can always raise this wall up with some additional features if you want some more privacy. Bula, bro. All right. So there you have it. So go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051, and we'll get you all the rental details of this property and anything else that you're looking for here. Have a wonderful day. We hope 2021 is turning out to be a fantastic year, and we will see you soon. Manaka.